Getting divorced later in life. How a reverse mortgage can help. There are emotional decisions, legal concerns, and big financial questions. And one of the biggest is, what do we do about the house? Sometimes both spouses want to keep it, but often one wants to stay and the other needs their share of the equity to move forward. That's where a reverse mortgage can be a powerful and surprisingly flexible solution. If you're over 62 and facing divorce, a reverse mortgage, specifically a home equity conversion mortgage, can help one spouse stay in the home while providing cash to the departing spouse without needing to sell the property. Let's say your home is worth $400,000. You've either paid it off or have significant equity. With a reverse mortgage, the spouse staying in the home may be able to access 40 to 60% of the home's value. That could be around $200,000 in tax-free funds. Those funds can go to the departing spouse as a buyout, and the spouse who remains doesn't have to take on a monthly mortgage payment. But here's something many people don't realize. The departing spouse can also use those funds to buy their own home and still avoid monthly mortgage payments. If they're also 62 or older, they can use a reverse mortgage for purchase, a special type of reverse mortgage, to help someone 62 and over buy a new home with a large down payment. This amount is typically 40 to 60%, depends on your age, and you never are required to make a monthly mortgage payment again. I know reverse mortgages used to have a bad reputation, but this is no longer the case. Today's loans are safe, federally regulated, and designed to protect homeowners and their families. The homeowner or purchaser will always stay on title, not the bank. Secondly, you are still the owner of the home. And third, it is a non-recourse loan, which means you and your heirs will never owe more than the home is worth. So you don't have to worry about leaving debt behind for your heirs to take care of. They will have options when the time comes, but no surprise debt. If you or someone you know is going through a divorce later in life, and you're worried about how to keep or divide the home, a reverse mortgage might offer a graceful and financially sound solution for both parties. This is not about pushing anyone into a decision. I just think it is very important you understand you do have options. With the reverse mortgage, one spouse can stay in the home with no payment, while the other can use their equity to buy a new home, also with no payment. And no one is forced to sell if they don't want to. I know you may have questions. Just comment here, call or text me anytime, or visit my website for free information.